Hello my beautiful people, hi, how are you? Today I'm going to do a very easy smoky eye makeup look. You guys, this looks so sophisticated. It looks like I put so much effort into it, but I didn't. So I'm going to show you in today's video how I achieved this eye makeup look. So easy, so fast. I only used two products. I used this eye crayon nude sticks, whatever this is, and some pigment. You will see that in the video. So if you guys are new to my channel, hi, my name is Vera and I post a lot of makeup tutorials, clothing hauls, nails tutorials, hair tutorials, jewelry hauls, all that good stuff, you know. So if you guys like what you see, hit the red button, ring the bell, activate all the notifications so you can get notified every single time I'm posting a new video on my channel. I was running out of air. And without any further ado, let's just jump into this video. I'm starting with a little bit of this Louise eyeshadow base, and I'm going to apply just a little bit because this is too white for me, and oh my goodness, there's like cat hair every freaking where. I applied way too much, like way too much. I'm going to take my dry sponge and wipe all of it. That wasn't my plan. Still have some more on the blush on the brush. So I'm not going to go up to my eyebrow because I'm going to go with concealer a little bit later. Next I'm going to take this magnetic luminous eye color in the shade Rustic Grotto. I never knew how to use this pencil eye colors, whatever these are called. I never knew how to use them. I only use them to create like wings, and obviously because they are more like creamy products, they don't really work unless you apply it with a very thin brush like this. So yeah, I never liked this type of products. I never used them, but now that I bought this nude sticks trio, now I have to use it, and oh my goodness, I kind of enjoy it. The color is a little bit too dark for me, and I don't know why, but it looks a little bit different. Like, it looks very like this beautiful shimmery brown with some gold reflex, but on my eyes it looks a little bit more cold toned, and I don't know why. But anyway, I'm going to smooth again this. And I'm going to go crazy with this eye crayon. Okay? Take your time. You want to build this because once you go and blend it out, you lose some pigment. So I'm going to take this type of brush and I'm going to gently blend out the edges. And this blends super easy. My eye burns. I don't know why. It burned on this one as well, but it goes away. This is not old. I bought this a few months ago. So make sure you don't have any harsh edges in there. And as I said, once you blend this out, you lose some pigment. But I will go and build this up just a little bit. We want a little bit of drama in there, you know what I mean? Jelly bean. You guys hear my neighbor's dog? He's walking. He's like, chick, chick, chick. I can hear his claws. I think he's playing. Okay, this looks pretty blended to me, and you can totally leave it like this. Like, this is the look. Okay, apply some lashes or mascara and you are ready to go. But I want to take it to the next level. Okay, so if you have any loose pigments or any shimmers, is preferably like loose pigments because they are more intense than normal shimmery eyeshadows, but use whatever you have. So I'm going to use this beautiful loose pigment from Kaima Cosmetics. This is in the shade Serene. Oh my goodness, okay. I mean, this looks like pretty brownish to me. That's why I wanted to use it with this brown Crayon, because I was going for that summery brown, deep brown, sparkly look. But as you can see, this is purple. Like, look at that. That looks totally brown to me, with some gold reflects, as I said. But once the light hits, it becomes pink. Anyway, so yeah, I'm going to use a little bit of the NYX glitter primer because you want this to stick on the eyeshadow. This goes everywhere, so if you have one of these or any pigments, I suggest you to do your eyes first, because as you can see I have a lot of sparkles. So I'm going to take a little bit on the back of my hand, and I'm going to take a little brush like this. And you don't want to go crazy with this glitter primer. You just want to have that that sticky layer, so the pigment will have something to grab on it. You can't even see it. To apply the pigment, I'm going to use a flat brush like this, and you guys, you want to tap the excess. Look how beautiful that is. That looks so beautiful, and it was so easy and fast to do. Oh my goodness, I just need some lashes and my face makeup of course. So I'm going to do my face makeup off camera. I'm going to come back when I'm going to finish the eyes. Okay, so as you can see, I kind of finished the rest of my makeup. Also, I tried a TikTok makeup hack and it was a total fail for me. So next I'm going to take a very detailed angle brush like this. There's a cat hair on it. Don't you love when you find cat hair on absolutely everything? Like, isn't that so much fun? So I'm going to pick some product with this brush, and I'm going to apply it on my bottom lash line, but not all the way through. I'm going to stop midway. And I'm going to connect it with my outer part. And with the same brush, I'm going to try to blend it out. Okay, I'm sorry for making weird faces, but that's how I function, okay? For lashes, I'm going to go with my Demi Wispies from Ardell. You guys, I love these lashes. They look so good on me because I have small eyes and these are not too intense. I just love them, okay? So I do have more lashes, don't get me wrong, but this is what works for me. They look natural. I don't know, man. I just love the Demi Wispies, the Wispies, and double Wispies. That's my cup of tea. I am going to share a little secret with you. So if you want your lashes to be more curled, because some of them I know they are a little bit more straight, or maybe, I don't know, maybe you want your lashes to be more curled, take your lash curler, but be very careful, okay, and just give them some love. I just washed them because, you guys, I use these lashes like crazy. So I do reuse them. I already have a video on my channel on how I maintain and clean my fake lashes, so if you want to watch that. I have my lash here, like so. Like, I'm going to squeeze this a few times. You'll see how curled this looks. So it looks that curled. Okay, let's see if I can apply this without messing my eyeshadow, because I did kind of misplace this one, and I'm using a black lash glue. I exaggerated a little bit with the lash curler, okay, so help. I feel like it's poking my eye. Alright you guys, so this makeup look is ready. I did apply mascara and I also curled a little bit my lashes with the false ones so I can marry them together so they don't look, so you can't tell that I'm wearing false lashes. I also applied a little bit of gloss. I'm going to have all the products listed down below, but on my lips I have I think I already mentioned this in the video, I have the Beauty Bay Toast lip liner and the Pixy by Petra lip gloss in the shade Honey Sheen. So I'm going to have all the products down below as I said, but oh my goodness, I forgot how good this foundation is. Literally, I love it. I forgot how good this is. If you guys have this foundation, let me know if you love it, because I love it. So yeah, that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Now I'm going to film some TikTok, so if you guys don't follow me on TikTok, you should. Let me know down below what you guys think, and that's it. Subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you guys in my next one.